Whenever you take delivery of your Tesla, or if you're already a Tesla owner, congratulations. There are some things that they will not tell you at delivery, and it's all about the Tesla app. Yes, they will say download the app. They will say connect that car to your phone, and they say enjoy, figure it out. However, I already have it figured out for you, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you the ins and outs and all that the Tesla app can do, and I'm starting right now. So the first things first with the Tesla app is that you have what you call quick controls. Yes, you see the lock here. You see the car is locking. I'm going to go, unlocking, and I'm going to go on and lock it back. And there you are. So the next we have is the front. So I'm going to go and press the front, and it will pop open the front for you. And now I'm going to go and close the front. And the next icon here, you have climate control. So it's off, it's on. I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to turn it on. So that is a quick way that you can turn on the climate control using your car. And the next thing that you have on your car on the quick control is the trunk. You can open up the trunk, but do you know there's actually more than these four, and I'm going to show you how to get to those. So I'm going to open up the trunk. It goes up, and that's a cool spoiler. I got that from EV Base, and you can get 15% off of any accessory on your car. Even these cool wheels right here at evbase.com, when you use the special promo code, just frugal me at checkout. So I'm going to go in and close this. But did you know there are so many more things that you can do on quick controls? I'm just going to hold down one of them to pull up the rest of them. So you have bio defense mode. So if you want to turn on your bio defense mode, I'm going to click it, and I'm not sure if you can hear the car, but now it is running. I'm going to turn it off. And the next one I have here is over here on the charge port. So you don't have to get in the car or come over here and press it. Right here on the phone, I'm going to click where it says open, and wada bam, the charge port open. And now I'm going to click on close. Is going to close. There we are. Just say if you see somebody around your car and you want to let them know, hey, I can see you, you can also flash the lights on the car. So I'm going to hit on flash, or any other reason that you would want to flash your lights. And I have what you call home link set up with my Tesla. So if I want to open up the garage at home, there's a device that I had installed inside of the Tesla. I'm able to do that. If the car is not at your house, it will not open. So the car will have to be at home, and you can blow the horn. You can defrost your car. And this is funny. You can literally make your car pass gas. You get it? You get the pun? Gas. But you can make the car fart. Watch this. Where it says start, you can start your car. Just say if you were at a family cookout, or if you're somewhere and you're blocking somebody in the driveway, they will have 2 minutes in order to move the car. If you click on start, they can drive the car at that point. And the cool thing is you can be halfway around the world and start your car for somebody. And a lot of people wonder about this from time to time. Your Tesla door handle is flush with the car. And just say if it's ice over it, you will not be able to get in. You can click on latch door, and look what's going to happen. It's going to latch the door. So I'm going to latch it, and now you can pull it right open, and you can vent the windows. Now, some of the additional features that you have on your Tesla app is you have live camera. So you can see the live cameras like you can see here on your screen. Here are the live cameras. So like right now, you can see I'm up here on the top one. And now let's run around to the back of the car real quick. And now, again, you can see me here on the live camera. You can actually see inside of the car as well. So I'm going to click on the one in the center. Now you can see the cabin. And again, you can blow the horn. There goes some of those quick controls, flash the lights. You can fart. And this is really cool here because you can even talk. Just say if you got some people hanging around your car and they're getting close to your car, you can say, get away from the car. Get away from the car. And it gives it like that, like Star Trek-ish sound, I guess. You have different controllers. So with the controllers, you have quick controls again. So the quick controls are throughout the car, but you also can see them here, like the honk the horn, the start, flashing of the lights. opening, closing, locking your car. Everything that we already did on the quick control is here. Additional thing on the control is, you see where it says PSI, you can check your tire pressure. So now you can see 35 minutes ago, what my tire pressures were. And climate. So with climate, you're able to cut on the heat warmer, the steering wheel warmer, set the climate, vent the windows. That's another quick control. Defrost, dog mode, camp mode, overheat protection, and also the approximate temperature that you want your overheat protection. And this is not my location at all, so don't try to stalk me. I am actually at a store, but if you click on location, you see that I'm here at the store, and you have nearby superchargers. If you want to navigate to things nearby, if you want to see nearby restaurants, see exactly where your car is. That's why it's kind of dumb to try to steal a Tesla, because the person can track you right on the phone, your every move in real time. And if the car is going, it actually tells you how fast you're going, what the person is listening to on the radio. It's still creepy, kind of stalkerish, but yeah, there we go. And now you can schedule. So now I'm on schedule. So you can schedule your charging right here on the phone when you want the car to start. You don't have to run out in the middle of the night to start charging it every day. Or just say if you want to leave by 11:45 in the morning and you want your car to be completely charged in, then you will enable the charging schedule. You have security and drivers. This is awesome because, as you can see here, again, you can view the live camera. You can set it for phone key. That's very important because now you no longer need a physical key or even the key card, a matter of fact, for your Tesla. As long as you have the phone key set up, your phone will activate as your key. Valet mode. This will put different limitations on your car. Speed limit mode. This is great if you are renting out your car, if your kid have your car. That's why I really feel that Teslas are very good cars for beginner drivers as well, because you can limit so much, even more than the app is saying that you can limit. A lot of the settings too are still in the car, and also a pin to drive. If you want to enable pin to drive, yes, you can do all of this in the car, but you can do it right from your phone, and you can also manage your driver profiles there. Another category on your app is called charge stats, and charge stats is simply that. It's going to tell you about how much energy and how much money that is costing you in order to charge your car. So I have spent approximately $24 in charging in the last 31 days, which is pretty awesome. And most of that honestly is coming from the supercharger whenever you're looking at the dollar amount. So far in the last month, the last 31 days, it's estimating that I saved $289. And if I go over to the year total spent in the last year, since September of last year, I have only spent $445 for the last 13 months on charging. So pretty cool. Now the next one is the upgrades. You can get upgrades for your car. On your Tesla app, you also can put on software updates as well. Right from your phone, you can extend your warranties, and also looking at accessories. So you can purchase accessories right here from your phone, and it's a very straightforward process on how to do that. And now you can schedule service. Yes, you can. Yes, you can schedule service. You no longer have to call the service place and get someone on the phone saying when you can bring it in. You can do all of that right through your phone. I'm going to click on service, and I'm just going to click on request service. They're going to ask exactly what, and you just pretty much say everything in there, and you put it right on the calendar in real time. So say that you're out on the road driving and you get a flat tire, something happens and you need to request roadside assistance. You can do all of that right here through the app by clicking on roadside. And from here, just say if we have a flat tire, it's a Tesla tire. I'm just making something up right now. And from here, tires, I'm going to click next. You click on the tire, and from next it will say exactly where you are, your location, and from there someone will come out to replace your tire, to tow your car, or to help you with whatever you need. Tesla, they contract with third-party companies, so there's always someone nearby that can help you out with that. Well, up here you have messages from Tesla. You can check your battery level, and also you have a Tesla store here, and you can get Tesla insurance and also charging your non-Tesla, so those people that have EVs. And some of the Tesla superchargers are open for third party now, and that's where you would go for that. And you have how to add, remove, refer people. So that's a comprehensive rundown of your Tesla app and all of the cool things that it can do. But did you know that you can also use your phone, like through Siri or Android voice, to control some of the features on your car? And I show you how to do that in the video right over there. And I will see you in the next video.